Right now, inside your body, something is happening that you never feel, never see, and almost never think about. Your brain is not resting. It is working. In fact, it is more active in some moments of sleep than when you are awake scrolling, talking, or even thinking. Because inside your head, there is a silent war happening over the next 8 hours. A war of repair, cleanup, memory sorting, and rewiring. And most people go their entire lives without realizing it ever exists. Because what happens next will completely change how you think about sleep. Most people believe sleep is shut down time, like your brain just powers off and waits for morning. But that idea is completely wrong. Think of your brain like a massive city that never sleeps. During the day, traffic is chaotic, signals are overloaded, messages are flying in every direction, but at night, the entire system shifts. Streetlights change color, roads get cleared, waste trucks move in, and entire districts of your mind begin reorganizing themselves. And this is where it starts, because the moment your eyes close, the first phase begins almost instantly. And most people never notice it. But here's the part most people miss. Your brain doesn't fall asleep, it transitions. Within the first few minutes, your body temperature drops slightly. Your external awareness fades. But inside your head, neurons begin changing their communication rhythm. Think of it like a city switching from rush hour chaos to maintenance mode. Signals that were loud and fast begin to quiet down. And this is where the brain makes a decision. What matters stays. What doesn't begins to be cleared. Now watch this. As you drift deeper into sleep, you enter the first major phase, light sleep. This is where the brain starts organizing incoming data from the day. Every conversation you had, every face you saw, every thought you repeated, it's all still floating inside your neural network like unfinished files on a computer. And now, your brain starts sorting them. Important memories get tagged. Unimportant noise starts to fade. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just memory sorting. It's chemical cleanup. Inside your brain, a special fluid system activates, often called the brain's waste removal network. Think of it like an underground drainage system in a city. During the day, it's mostly slow, but at night, it opens fully. Toxins that built up from thinking, stress, and mental effort begin to wash out. And this is where most people stop understanding what sleep really is, because this is not rest. This is biological maintenance at scale. And if you stay with this process deeper into the night, things get even more powerful. Now you enter deeper sleep. This is where the real transformation begins. Brain activity slows into deep rhythmic waves. But inside that slowing, something important is happening. Your body releases repair signals. Cells across your system begin recovery, but more importantly, your brain starts rebuilding itself. Think of it like this. If your daytime brain is a fast-moving internet network, your deep sleep brain is a construction site. Old, weak connections are reinforced. Unused pathways are weakened. Strong memories are stabilized. And this is where it gets interesting. Because during this phase, your brain is not just storing information. It is deciding who you are becoming. But here's the part most people miss. Not all sleep cycles are equal. After deep sleep, your brain shifts again. Now you enter REM sleep. This is where things change dramatically. Your brain becomes highly active again, but your body becomes almost paralyzed. And inside that strange contradiction, something powerful happens. Dreaming begins. But dreaming is not random. It is your brain testing connections, replaying experiences, simulating emotions, rewriting memory pathways. Think of it like a simulation engine. Your brain is running what-if scenarios without real-world consequences. What if this happened differently? What if that memory was solved? What if this fear is removed? And every cycle, your brain refines itself further. This is where emotional processing happens. Stress from the day gets reinterpreted, fear responses are softened, and emotional weight begins to reorganize. But here's the part most people never realize. This cycle repeats multiple times across 8 hours. Light sleep, deep sleep, REM sleep, again and again, each loop refining your brain like software updates running in the background. And this changes everything, because by the time you wake up, you are not the same system that fell asleep. Now here's the deeper layer. Most people think memory is stored like files in folders, but your brain doesn't work like that. Memory is a network. And every night, your brain strengthens the paths you use most. It removes friction from repeated thoughts. It optimizes emotional reactions. It even adjusts how quickly you respond to stress. You are literally being reprogrammed every night. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Studies show that during sleep, the brain reduces unnecessary neural connections while strengthening useful ones. This is called synaptic optimization. In simple terms, your brain is cleaning up its wiring, like a city removing broken roads and improving highways. And this is why sleep deprivation is so dangerous. Because when this system is interrupted, the cleanup doesn't finish. Emotional noise builds up, focus weakens, memory becomes unstable, and decision-making slows down. But here's the tension most people ignore. If you consistently don't complete this nightly process, your brain starts operating in overload mode, like a city with no waste management system. Everything still works, but nothing runs efficiently. Now here's where it gets even more important, because when you sleep properly, something powerful happens over time. Your brain doesn't just recover, it upgrades. Each night becomes a refinement cycle. Stress responses become smoother, thinking becomes clearer, emotional reactions become more stable, and learning speed increases. Because your brain is no longer just reacting, it is adapting. But here's the deeper truth. You are not unconscious during sleep. You are in a different mode of intelligence, a maintenance and evolution state, and most people never tap into its full potential. Now think about this. Every night you sleep, your brain is deciding what stays, what goes, and how it's going to handle the future. It's not just memory, it's your mind's evolution. What goes and what gets upgraded. And this is where the transformation message becomes clear. You are not just resting. You are being rebuilt. But here's the final shift most people miss. Your brain does not distinguish between important and repeated. It prioritizes patterns. So if your days are chaotic, your sleep will try to organize chaos. If your days are structured, your sleep will reinforce structure. If your thoughts are repetitive and negative, your brain will strengthen those pathways, unless interrupted. This is why consistency matters more than intensity. Because sleep is not just recovery, it is adaptation. Now here's what happens if this system works properly over time. Your neural efficiency improves. Your emotional regulation strengthens. Your focus sharpens. And your brain begins to operate with less effort, like a machine that becomes smoother with every cycle. But if it doesn't, everything slowly becomes heavier, slower, less clear, and more emotionally reactive. Now step back and see the full picture. Every night, inside your head, a silent war is happening. Waste is being cleared. Memories are being sorted. Emotions are being processed. And your entire neural system is being rebuilt from the inside. And you don't feel any of it, but you are the result of it. So the real question is not whether your brain works at night. It's whether it is being allowed to complete what it is designed to do. Because your brain is not broken, it is responding to how you live, to how you think, to how you rest. And sleep is not passive. Biological processes in your entire existence. A nightly transformation you never consciously witness, but always live through. And once you understand that, you will never look at sleep the same way again. Because every night, inside your head, the war continues. So now think about this. What part of your brain do you think is being rebuilt the most while you sleep?